Well, hey,
if I have enough money when I'm all done, I want to get 4 aluminum wheels and take them steel wheels off.
What's the difference? I guess the weight. Are you talking about the weight? That's steel. The wheels are steel.
That's why, right there.
Because of the corrosion?
Yep.
Why is it so corroded?
Because it's steel. And it was a Michigan truck.
Oh, wow. That's unfortunate.
I don't like steel wheels. I've never had a truck with steel wheels on it.
They look horrible. I mean,
that's why I don't like running steel wheels, because, you know, when you run snow and bad weather, they corrode. So, and plus they're heavy. So, I'll see. I think the Freightliner's got them for $227 a piece. So with taxes, $250.
So how heavy do you think these wheels are?
Well, we'll pick one up.
Well, show me the front of it. Okay, that's the back of it, right? So show me the front of it. Oh, that just looks horrible. So that's the original wheel, right?
I don't know if it's original or not. So these aren't the original wheels on there, because these are Peterbilt wheels here.
Oh, are they? Peterbilt wheels on a Freightliner?
Yeah, see how it's got this slot on there? That's a Peterbilt design.
Is that right?
Yeah.
So, but they're working okay on a Freightliner then?
Yeah, the bolt pattern is the same. Alright, well, I guess that's it for today. Yeah. Tomorrow I'll come out, or whenever, I'll come out and cage those.
Not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Christmas. We'll take tomorrow off. Tomorrow's Christmas Day. Take tomorrow off. Visit with our friends. And regroup and come back on Thursday.
I'm Big Belly.
And I'm Bumbles.
And together we're
Big Belly Bumbles.
See you later.
Big Belly Bumbles.